Hello everyone, I am Renusati PGT Biology from Manasasthali School, Bareilly, UP. My topic is adult education, which is quite different from the education of our children. Now, in case of the children, they are just like the raw flour, which you can shape into different forms as per the choice of the parents, environment, society, or their own choice. They can be molded into different forms. But adults are cooked food. You cannot change them. Only thing is that you can add them so that they can fit to the modernity of the today's world. The key role of adult education is to allow workers to develop their skills and acquire new ones. In the wake of the economic crisis, it gives adults a chance to retrain, which is particularly important to people who will need to work past pension age and need support to train for a new role. Being able to assess further education is particularly important for adults in disadvantaged groups such as migrants or women from ethnic minorities. Research has proven that taking up studies later in life has a positive effect on health. A study that focused on the 33 to 42 demographic found a number of benefits to their overall life, including giving up smoking, decreasing alcohol consumption, and exercising more. Learning throughout life is also responsible for improved mental health, with respondent of a 2004 study. Adults who choose to resume their learning later in life have been found to be more open-minded and accepting of differences, and many studies have shown that more educated people are more trusting and tolerant. More educated individuals are also more likely to be active citizens. The European Social Service found that every additional year of education makes a person 3% more likely to vote. Adult learning is a fundamental component of prison rehabilitation, and data have shown that it is an effective way to discourage reoffending, with the statistics showing that 52% of male offenders and 72% of female offenders have no qualification. Education in prison is more important than ever. Rod Clark, Chief Executive of the Prisoners Education Trust, said, "We know that education can stop people from committing crime. Every day we hear from prisoners and ex-prisoners who tells us education transformed my life. We have to plan the different type of the education models for adults so that they can correlate it with their work and life." Thank you.